Hey guys, this is Christine with your communication tip for today. And today I want to speak more about body language. And really, it is one of the most important part of communication because uh, sometimes when people are saying something verbally, what their body is doing is more telling of what the true meaning of what they're saying is. So it's very important to really pay attention to body language. And sometimes I think we sometimes have we don't pay attention to it, and so we send off wrong signals. I've seen people reading the news, for example, or even in other situations when they're speaking to people, that they have their hands folded, right? See if I can. Their hands folded. They're talking, right? They have their hands folded, and I think you can feel just by looking at me, my arms folded, that I'm saying, okay, I'm talking to you, right? But my arms are folded. Sense, think of what that feels like versus when I'm like this, right? Or versus when I'm just like this. The thing is, when you have your arms folded, it creates a barrier between you and the other person, and it means that it makes you feel closed off from the other person. So it's almost as if you're more focused on the person's arms folded. At least it is for me, and maybe it's because I'm so in tune with body language that it sticks out. It's something that just I see it immediately. And so when you see somebody, if you're having a regular conversation with someone, right, guys, and all of a sudden, and you say something, and you see somebody do that, you know that they're not in agreement with you, because it is a way of it can show a way of closing off from whatever it is you're saying, or it could be a way of just protecting themselves. All right, so be very careful about when you fold your arms. You shouldn't really be folding your arms when you're speaking to someone. You should be open, open, open. And so the person or individual or audience is going to be more receptive to you. So guys, hopefully that will help. This is Christine with your communication tip for the day. Please like and share this video and click that notification bell if you want to hear these communication tips when I put them out. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Bye.